I think I think what happened is that as the as the Jamstack itself matured a little bit and people starting to get more proficient in it, we started having we have like so many users, and we started like hearing back from all of them, right? Where I feel that this is like definitely something that we're doing pretty well, and we're pushing more and more on it, right? We always want to talk to our users. A lot of users will get an email from me, right, asking them essentially like for feedback, and because this is, I think, one of the highest leverage things that we can do, right? Talk to our users and make sure that we're building something that they need. And so as this feedback came in and we saw it through analytics and qualitative interviews and just all these channels, I think we realized that um, just having a huge diversity and like sorry, excuse me, building the site in this vast combination of technologies and playing around with it is becoming a little bit like less interesting, and people crave that guidance. People crave, it wasn't enough to let people play around and like create all these um, sites with different CMSs and different combinations. People want to be like, okay, like you guys are the experts, right? You've been working in the Jamstack so long. You've seen all these combinations. You've built for them. Tell us what we should do. What is the best way to set us up for success in the future? So, and I think like this is also something that had, over time, continuing to support all this like vast diversity of sites, as most developers understand, adds a lot of complexity and kind of forces you to offer the common denominator for all these different setups. And oftentimes, I think this is something that prevents you from having a really high quality website, right? So one of the things that we're now doing is we're moving towards a very kind of golden path, if you will, right? It's like this is the setup that we recommend, right? This is how all the sites will be built going forward. You don't have to make all these choices, right? So the sites going forward will be built with Next.js, right? Which and Tailwind, and will be based on Markdown files in GitHub as the CMS, right? And then allows you for the most portable solution ever, and you can move it to other CMSs when the time comes. And and React and Tailwind being like really popular setups that you can use and are powerful